Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about resistance. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully on the figure in here, we can see that they are parallel. So the formula of the parallel that should be about 1 over R equals to 1 over R number 1 plus 1 over R number 2 plus 1 over R number 3. So we just calculate about this one first. So R number 1 that's about 40. R number 2 that's about number 5. R number 3 that's about 40. We sum 3 fractions and we got 1 over 4. So R in here we have number 4 because we have same number 1 and number 1. So that means R equal to number 4 and we have 4 ohms. Now we have this one. This is in the series, so we can find about R total. That's about number 5 plus number 4. Number 4 we just calculate in here. And we got about 9 ohms. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.